Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine. Today, you can see here a solid piece of wood, mostly irregular shape, but we're going to draw a nice scenery here and make it a nice canvas. So, usually the drawing, it just completed in few steps. So there are some planning, which steps comes first and which steps comes later. So here we're going to put the line in the middle, which is going to be a landscape for this scenario. All right. And here you can see the mountains on the side of the platform. Okay, so we're going to take more black color. Mm-hmm. Okay, and on the left side just putting the mountains. Okay, here few ups and downs in the horizon, which is going to be some tree lines or maybe woods or some villages. So these ups and downs, this is going to be the height of the tree. And here you can see some reflections, irregular in the water. Mhm. For the smaller mountains, you can see the smaller reflections. For the bigger mountains, you can see a bigger reflections here. Awesome. Now we're going to take the color white and putting a moon here. So bigger moon. Let's take more white color and putting it like a circle. So one on the top and its reflection you can see in the bottom. But here, because of the water level, the reflection is somehow blurred. So this is how we're going to express the light color of the water and making the variations. Okay, so fewer white and fewer blue, as you can see here. Okay, so this is completely white colored circle, and we're also putting white color here, taking mode, so it's fallen on the water. Awesome. For the mountains, just one side we're going to put the white color, making it lighter. Okay, so this is how we can show that it looks like a 3D. Also putting something lines on the horizon, so you can also see some reflections here. Okay, in the water. All right, now we are going to draw a tree here. So for that purpose, just putting some brush strokes for the tree lines, which is going to be like the cloud shapes. Okay, here. So mostly, because of the springtime, tree looks very colorful. Mm-hmm. Little bit darker at the bottom. Okay, so after the drawing, just we're going to put the black color here to make the branches nicely visible. So let's make a branches in a different way, starting from that positions, connecting everything here. So see, very easy. So that's connecting in the middle. Okay, so there's a Y shape on the top and it's just coming up like this. You can see the main trunk. And this is coming up to the bottom here. Okay, So taking more black color for the tree, and you can see the landscapes here, just putting few black shapes in the canvas so that we understand that this is on the water level. Mm-hmm. And here the branches, we are going to make a separate projections, two of those here. Mm-hmm. All right, so mostly it looks like the organic shape. Awesome. Here again we're going to take the white color and make the top of the trees, just putting some white shades and shadows. Okay, so it looks lighter. Mhm. And just merging it with the remaining color balance of the trees. So this is how we mix it. All right, so this is it, very simple scenery. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned, see you in our next videos. Have a good day. Before we close, we are going to show you in a different angle. Maybe we're going to zoom out the camera and you can see, yeah, in a farther distance it looks really like a, the real scenery. So that's why painting, we usually look at it in a further distance, and this is how it looks like real scenery. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.